Most people pray, but they don't believe. They say the words, they ask, they hope, but deep down, they don't expect anything to happen. Now, think about a child. When a child asks their parent for something, they don't hesitate, they don't doubt, they don't overthink it. They ask, and their hand is already out, waiting, expecting. Somewhere along the way, we lost that. Life hit us. People disappointed us. Prayers didn't get answered the way we wanted, so we stopped believing. But when you go to God, you're not going to someone who might help. You're going to the one who already knows, already sees, and already has the power to move. So why are you praying like you don't expect him to? Pray like that child, hand out, heart open, believing, because the moment your faith meets your prayer, everything begins to change. Restored life after.